So you were saying this 3/4 inch right here needs to be down there, and you need your 1 inch right here.
3/4 down here.
Yes, you need your 3/4 down there.
1 inch here.
Okay,
I need 1 inch
and it's right there now.
here because I had used 3/8 and 3/8.
Ah, okay. And then all these power cords down here are a problem for you pulling out your...
Pulling off the 1/2 inch box.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that. You got them these here too?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Like the 3/8 could be down there. 1/4 and 1/2 could be here.
Yeah.
What we did was put temporary tags where the loom is supposed to go. We have the part number for the loom, the size of the loom, and the designated spot. It's on both sides of the board, on the 316 and on the 312, on both sides. Like the 1 inch over here, I use 1 inch from here all the way to here, and she uses her 1 inch at the other end of the board, all at the very other end of the board. So
Can you show me again where you use your 1 inch? Sorry, bad camera work.
right here, 2 right here.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, yeah, down and around.
Down and around.
Yeah.
And mine would be like right here in the middle and down this way, but then also down here and stuff too. So my board's all the way down here.
Okay, sweet. So that's why you've got the two then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. And then what did we do down here then for all of
Down
our...
here we had
power
two
strips?
surge protectors that were sitting on the floor in the way. So we took one and used 2-sided tape and taped it to the inside, the top side of the 2x4 here.
Great.
And then I used a piece of two-sided tape to hold the cord onto the 2x4 here, which runs from here to this one.
Awesome.
And then we zip tied this one up and out of the way, so now we can slide the boxes back and forth. It's actually going to be able to keep it even cleaner
Yeah.
Yeah,
because
but sleep better, not have
Yes.
to move the cord.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, help with your 3S time and
Yes.
help with cleanup at the end of the day. Fantastic job. Thank you so much.